Now let's see how we can configure the device to send the telemetry data using setting catalog. So to do this, we have to go to the devices, and under devices we have to go to the configuration profiles. Under configuration profile, we have to create a profile. Under platform, we have to select the Windows 10 and later, and under profile type we have to select the setting catalogs, and then click on create. We have to provide a name. I'm going to provide the update compliance data, and then I'm going to click on next, and then we have to add the settings. The very first setting we have to add is the allow commercial data pipeline, and we have to click on search. Under system, we have to add allow commercial pipeline, click on select, and then the next setting we have to configure the allow telemetry, and then click on search. Under system, we have to select allow telemetry for device. Third setting is allow update compliance processing. I'm going to click on search, and under system we have to click on allow update compliance processing. The fourth one is the configure telemetry opt-in change notification, and under system again we have to click on configure telemetry opt-in change notification. Fifth setting is configure telemetry opt-in setting UX. Click on search, and under system we have to click on this one also. Then last setting is allow device name to be sent in Windows diagnostic data, and click on search, and then under system the allow this one. Now we have added all the required settings. Now we have to configure those settings. So very first setting, allow device name to be sent in Windows diagnostic data. Yes, we have to allow it. Then next setting, configure telemetry opt-in setting UX. Yes. Then configure telemetry opt-in change notification. Then allow update compliance processing. Yes. Then allow telemetry as per Microsoft, it is required basic, but you can go with full or security, but I'm going for basic. And then allow commercial data pipeline, and then click on next. And then if you want to use scope tag, you can use, otherwise click on next, and then deploy to all the devices or the required group where you want to deploy it. So for now I'm going to deploy all the devices, and then click on next and create. Now the policy is created. I hope this is an informative video for you. Thank you very much for watching this video.